So welcome back to our journey through the secrets of non-dual tantric meditation. And last time what we did is we took our first steps into this very transformative world. So we set the stage for the process of spiritual awakening. And today we're going to dive deeper into a cornerstone of non-dual tantric meditation, which is the principle of unity, oneness, interconnectedness. It's a concept that unveils the profound unity of all existence. So in non-dual tantric meditation, oneness or unity isn't just this abstract idea. It's a very tangible reality that we can experience very deeply. It's the recognition that everything in the cosmos, including ourselves, is part of an intricate web of existence. And this principle really challenges our usual perception of separation, the notion that we're isolated from the rest of the universe, that there's this divide between mind and matter, between the physical and the spiritual realms. Experiencing this unity, this oneness, begins with a shift in perception. We've been conditioned to view ourselves as distinct and isolated entities. However, this perception can be compared to seeing individual waves as separate from the ocean. In truth, just like waves, we're unique manifestations, yet we're intrinsically part of this immense interconnected whole. In our meditation practice, what we do is we focus on dissolving the mental and emotional barriers that reinforce this illusion of separation. And we learn to perceive the world not through this dualistic lens of separation, but through the unifying lens of oneness. So just imagine sitting in meditation and feeling not just the rhythm of your own breath, but recognizing that it's part of the universal breath that animates all life. Envision connecting deeply with the world around you and understanding that the life force pulsating within you is the same life force that flows through every being and object in the universe. So this profound realization reshapes the way that we interact and relate with life. When we see and experience ourselves as interconnected, we approach our daily lives with a renewed sense of responsibility, of compassion, and love. Our thoughts, our words, and our actions begin to foster the flourishing of all life, seamlessly contributing to this web of existence in which we're all interwoven. So embracing this direct understanding of unity also means embracing our true nature. We're not isolated beings. We're dynamic expressions of an ever-present, unseen, vibrant force that animates all of life. Our personal experiences, our joys, our sorrows, our successes, our struggles, they're all part of this grand tapestry of existence, each of them like a thread that contributes to the richness of the whole. So as we deepen our practice, we're going to be exploring various meditation techniques that foster and deepen this sense of interconnectedness. We'll learn to live not as individuals in conflict with the world around us, but as integral parts of a beautiful unified whole. We'll discover how every single aspect of our lives, even the most mundane, is literally an opportunity to experience and contribute to the unity of existence. So I hope you'll join me every Thursday right here on YouTube for live streamed non-dual tantric meditation sessions, and together we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of our true nature and the true nature of reality. And hopefully we'll be journeying towards a life of deeper understanding and compassion and, yes, unity.